In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone unavailable with iTunes. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, using iTunes to fix an iPhone unavailable screen is the most reliable fallback when you can't remember your passcode or the forgot passcode button doesn't appear. So what you want to do is use the Apple Devices app, but iTunes still works for older versions of Windows or if you haven't switched as well. So what you want to do is ensure you have the latest version of iTunes installed and then open it up before connecting your phone. Then your computer can't communicate with a locked unavailable iPhone unless it's forced into recovery mode. So turn off your iPhone and then press and hold the side button and immediately plug the phone into your computer using a USB-C or lightning cable, obviously whichever one your phone supports, and don't let go. And when you see the Apple logo, keep holding the side button until the screen shows a cable pointing to a computer icon. And then from there, iTunes will show a pop-up saying there is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Just make sure you select restore, as update is not going to remove the passcode. So you have to select restore, which is going to factory reset the phone and erase all data. Then just wait for the download. It says iTunes will download the software for your iPhone. And then that's it. Once the progress bar finishes, your iPhone will restart with the hello screen. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.